vacuum is lightweight with extendable nozzle. The power consumption is around 1000 watts, which I'm going to show you later. The hose can also be quickly disconnected and just use the brush head. According to my power meter, it consumes around 1007 watts. Which is more than enough to remove larger objects from the floor. Push this button to release the canister, and this button to release the dustbin. And there's a latch so you can clean the filter. This part is not user replaceable. Unboxing in 4 seconds, 8 times speed. This is how you assemble the machine. Insert like this, it will click in place. Pretty secure and easy to disconnect and use this nozzle for tighter spaces.
Kenmore pet-friendly, lightweight bagged canister vacuum cleaner. Removes ground-in dirt from carpets and effectively cleans hard floors, stairs, and more. Vacuum traps 99.97% of dirt inside your vacuum, keeping it out of the air you breathe. Automatic cord rewind retracts 26 feet of cord with a push of the button. Access difficult areas with 9.5 feet of extended reach. Detachable handle is perfect for cleaning furniture, car interiors, and tight spaces.
In the first stage of filtration, Miele's vortex technology separates the coarse particles from the fine particles. The rotating air reaches speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour. This centrifugal force causes coarser, heavier particles to drop down through the center of the vortex into the transparent dust container. The air, now rid of its coarse soil, next passes through the funnel-shaped pre-filter. In the second stage, the fine particles enter a fine dust container where they remain attached to the folds of the Gore fine dust filter. Thanks to Comfort Clean, the Gore fine dust filter self-cleans once a certain level of soiling is reached. This keeps it permeable to air for longer. After just a few seconds, vacuum cleaning can resume. Manual cleaning of the filter is only necessary after a period of around 6 months. This involves removing the fine dust container and cleaning it under running water. This method completely avoids contact with dust, simply hygienic. Once dry, the Gore fine dust filter is ready for use again.